Heroes Pledge. Echoes of Rizal, Voices of Change. 5 diverse students, confidently dressed, stand before Jose Rizal statue. Their casual attire reflects unique personalities, while the statue symbolizes Filipino resilience and ongoing fight for freedom, a fight now waged through technology and social change. Thoughtful young woman, book in hand, step forward.
We stand here today, inspired by the legacy of Dr. Jose Rizal, a man who dared to dream of a better Philippines. A man who used his pen as a weapon against injustice, and who championed the power of education and communication.
Determined young woman, laptop in hand, step forward.
We, the students of Technology, Communication, Management, inherit the same spirit. We see the power of technology to illuminate the truth, amplify voices, and to connect people across distance.
Fashionate young woman, tablet in hand, step forward.
Builders, the change maker. Like Rizal, we believe in the transformative powers of ideas and the stories we share.
Confident young woman, microphone in hand, step forward.
We pledge our skills in communication and technology to bridge the gaps that divide us, to illuminate the truth and empower voices that needs to be heard.
Smiling young woman, camera in hand, step forward.
We will use our voice to speak out against injustice, to champion the right of marginalized, and to build a more inclusive and equitable society.
Kanyang paghihimagsik laban sa mga Kastila, idinaan niya sa kanyang pluma. Ang kanyang mga nobelang No Limit Tangere at El Filibusterismo, gumising sa kamalayan ng mga Pilipino. Mabuhay ang Katangalungan!
We are the echoes of Rizal, the voices of change. We pledge to carry his torch, to use our skills to build a Philippines that reflects his vision of freedom, justice, and progress. We pledge to use our voices, our technology, and our skills to build a Philippines that is more united, more informed, and more prosperous. We will fight for truth, for justice, for understanding. We will amplify voices, bridge divides, and inspire changes. This is our pledge. This is our mission. We are the echoes of Rizal, the voices of change, and we are ready to build a brighter future for our nation.
Dapat maalala sa kanya, lalo na ang mga iniwan niyang aral para sa bayan.
Sobrang ang kalapastanganan ninyo sa akin.
Paglaban sa kabuktutan at pagmamahal sa ating inang bayan.
Apunte! Fuego!
As TCM student, we're building future. Rizal's legacy inspire a responsible use of technology for effective communication.